How's it going, guys? Welcome to the channel. And a few days ago I bought this bike at Walmart for 80 bucks. I went and ordered a 49cc engine off of Amazon, and here's the complete build. Bought the rack yesterday, put the crate on it. Got my tool set, pouch, air horn, lights. I'm still breaking it in, so let me start it up for you guys. Alright guys, well I'm back and she's alive. I had to pedal her a few times to start it, but she's good. Still breaking it in, like I said. Alright, now we're going to cruise around the block. Still breaking it in. This mailman right here actually delivered this motor to me a week ago. Well, there's the build, and she's completely stock right now, so eventually I'm going to buy a few things, maybe a muffler, boost bottle, upgraded carb, maybe a head. We'll see. Maybe you guys can find out in the next few videos. Well, there she is, ready to go as always.